Okay, so for this morning, you probably came in, watched announcements, hopefully got started on your context clues picture, did a little vocabulary practice, and now you are here watching my directions. So I'm not going to click on this next one because that's the one where it's going to take you to your weekly practice activity for your vocabulary words. Okay, but when you're finished with that and you have hit submit, so many of you are not hitting submit. Remember, I don't see it until you hit the button submit. Okay, so please be sure to do that. Then you're going to go into POP, right? And Thursdays are easy day. It's the day that you are going to share your sentences that you wrote yesterday. Okay, so this is the only slide that we have here, and then the next one's going to take you to your Padlet page. Okay, we know we do this every week. You know what to do. Click on the plus, type in your sentence that you wrote yesterday. Remember, you don't have to think of a new one. It's just sharing the same one you wrote yesterday. Please make sure you're checking for capital letters and ending marks. And the most important part is make sure your sentence has a preposition in it, because that was what we were practicing. Okay, and make sure they're school appropriate. All right, guys, that's it. You guys will work on that. If you get done, which you probably will get done quickly because you do on these, um, when you finish, you work on the same things. Maybe your historical fiction writing in your writing notebook, or you can read. Um, if you want, I was going to say you could get started on words their way, but maybe check with the guest teacher, make sure that's okay. And then just wait, read or do something while everyone finishes up. You can share the sentences, and then you'll be ready for words their way. Okay, and I'll do a video for that one next.